second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, Goldtrans BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Graphics, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nelabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tansyahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age